You're going to love this sweet Mother's Day treat idea. It's so simple, the kids can help make it. Hey! First up, a mascarpone topping for the angel food cake. Mascarpone, obviously, raspberry preserves, honey, lemon zest, and lemon juice, and a little vanilla. Then add in some whipped topping.
Can you finish?
Sure, and more preserves for a swirl. Great job! Take a couple angel food cake loaves and cut them in half. Then cut the cake into shapes. You can use any shape you like.
What about this one?
Yeah, that's perfect. Repeat for the second loaf. Top the circles with the mascarpone whip. You can top with any fruit.
I got blueberries. What's this?
That's mint.
Mango and basil. Strawberry and mint. Pineapple and basil.
Which one do you want to try?
This one.
Strawberry is my favorite.
Here you go.
Thanks. How does it taste?
Delicious.